Hey y'all, welcome back to the SciTech channel once again. I'm here with another video for you guys, and this is going to be an unboxing video. Just wanted to start off the video saying I do apologize, guys. I've been super duper inactive. Just been very busy with a bunch of in real life stuff, you know. But yeah, so I am glad to bring you guys back another video. This is going to be for the iPhone SE 2022, or the third generation. So yeah, guys, once again, let's go ahead and get straight on into the video. So there's the front of the box, the side, back, you know how it goes. The logo, Apple logo, and then logo up top. And yeah, so we are going to open this up on the back. It seems like we will not be needing an unboxing knife. So just some nice clean stickers that we can peel off here. Let me make sure you guys can see all of that. Honestly, I do like this experience, like in terms of unboxing. Like, you really don't need an unboxing knife or anything. So yeah, right there you can see the beautiful iPhone SE. And the color we have here is midnight. So very nice color here. And there is the little protector that they come with on the phone. And once again, over here we have our little USB-C to lightning cable. And yeah, that's pretty much the contents of the box. You know, your generic Apple stickers and Apple startup guides. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this wrapping off, and I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like. So we're gonna get some ASMR for you guys. So let me get this taken off here. Alright, guys. We got the phone naked over here. So yeah, I'm just going to start it up and show you guys what it looks like. Start it up. And then after that, we will end the video right there, guys. Keeping it short and simple for y'all. But slowly, I do have a bunch of reviews and stuff I need to do. So I'm going to have to start coming up with ideas for that. But yeah, so that is the iPhone SE, guys. Amazing tiny little phone here. And yeah, that is where I'm going to end off the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. And you guys have a great one, man. I will see you guys next time. Peace out.